The turn radius banked interactive calculator solves for various parameters in banked turn dynamics for aircraft and vehicle engineering applications. This calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: calculate turn radius, calculate required velocity, calculate required bank angle, calculate load factor, calculate turn rate, and calculate centripetal acceleration. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate turn radius mode. The input fields include velocity in meters per second, bank angle in degrees, turn radius in meters, gravitational acceleration in meters per second squared, which defaults to 9.81, and load factor measured in N. Let's work through an example. I'll input a velocity of 10 meters per second, bank angle of 10 degrees, turn radius of 10 meters, gravitational acceleration stays at 9.81, and load factor of 10. After clicking Calculate, the results show turn radius equals 57.81 meters, bank angle remains 10 degrees, velocity stays 10 meters per second, load factor is 1.0015 g, turn rate is 9.9108 degrees per second, and centripetal acceleration is 1.73 meters per second squared. The status indicates low load factor, comfortable coordinated turn. This tool streamlines banked turn calculations for your engineering projects. Find the link in the description below.